How to copy link from Instagram comment. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Now head over to the comment section that you want to copy the link. Let's move into my post where someone has commented the link. So let's say this is the link that you want to copy. First of all, what you need to do is take the screenshot of this page. And once you are done, go back and head over to your photos. Move into the picture that you have just taken the screenshot of. Now right here at the bottom, you'll find the option where it says copy text. Tap on it. It will automatically highlight the link that you want to copy. Now tap on copy text right here. So there you go, the link from the Instagram comment has been copied successfully. That's all for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to copy the link from Instagram comment. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.